Hi, Lisa from Joyfully Art. Glad I'm here today. Here's my painting from my last video. Turned out really nice. Love the copper. So I thought I would do another one like it. So they could be sold as a set or individual. And my colors today are going to be Master's Touch. And this is a lake blue. This is the first time I'm using this. It's a Craft Smart burnt orange, artist Loft metallic bronze, Deco Art phthalo green yellow, and Liquitex basic paynes gray. I'm going to use that as the background. So let's get on with the next. There we go. And this canvas that I'm working on is 7 by 10, I believe, or maybe a 7 by 14. I'm not sure. But I'll put it all down in the description at the end of my video. And if you'd all leave comments, I'd really appreciate it. And this is not working out well at all. I have thinned down my paints a little bit so that they will blow better with the hair dryer. Burnt orange. Just the green yellow. And I did not add any silicone to any of these paints. I did thin them down with water. I mix my paints with floetrol and water when necessary. And the bronze is a metallic. Alrighty, let's see what we can do with the blow dryer. Always do that. Need to fill in some of the gray. Where I hit the canvas is normal for me. This Payne's gray just does not want to cover my canvas at all. Let's see, I've lost a lot of my burnt orange. We'll put some more in right here. Whoa, that's a little much. Got the green and the bronze pretty good, and the blue. Okay, here we go again. Turn it back around this way. See what we got. See, I did it again. I'm always getting my dryer too close. I think I'll use my little handheld. Littlest dryer in the world. Okay, I like everything. This big blob of orange has got to go. That did not do well at all. That looked bad, really bad. Yeah, that didn't help either, did it? Not having much luck today with this. The other one turned out really nice, and this one's just not playing well. There we go. That's not bad at all. Get this up here. Get it to go over the sides there some. Okay. I think I'll have to finish my sides after the video is done. I think that looks all right for now. Then I could touch up the sides when I'm all done. Here's a close-up for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family. Leave a comment if you so desire. Let me know what you think, anything you'd like to see. Thank you, and have a great day.